Hi, my name is John and I would like to talk to you about the Camon C50i garden chipper. After cutting back your garden hedges and trees, you're usually left with piles of green waste. We believe the best thing you can do with this vegetation is to quickly reduce the waste in size and turn it into compost or mulch. Featuring a 2-inch wood chipping capacity and a high-powered Honda engine, our Camon C50i garden chipper has been designed specifically with this job in mind. Simply fit the in-feed chute, start the engine, and you are ready to get the job done. The first feature I would like to talk about on the C50i is its excellent balance and manoeuvrability. Simply push down on the chute and you can easily move the chipper to your required location. The large punch-proof wheels also make the machine easier to push over difficult terrain whilst never having to worry about getting a puncture. An important feature of the C50i is that with a simple latch and pin, the chute can be quickly removed, reducing the size of the machine even further. The feature is great if you ever have to transport the C50i in a vehicle or car, and if you have limited storage space. The other feature of the chute is how steep it is. This helps with self-feeding of your wood. The discharge chute is hinged and folds back, even further reducing the size of the machine. The C50i features a single hardened steel chipping blade. The C50i is available with a choice of 2 different Honda engines, the GX200 or the GP200. We would describe the GX200 as a commercial engine and the GP200 as perfect for the domestic environment. Both choices are Honda engines. As for us, they are simply the best engines available. They start first time, are simple to service, and have proven to be extremely reliable. The engines also come with a 2-year warranty. We would always steer people clear of cheaper alternatives or cheap Chinese copies, as they simply do not compete in reliability or performance. Our slogan is that Camon products are built to work and built to last. We are confident of this as we build the C50i at our UK factory from scratch, and we can ensure fabrication is of the highest quality. We also support this belief with a 2-year warranty on all our products. Each C50i chipper has an optional collection bag. This is a great addition if you are using the chipper in an area where you do not want to make a mess. Our Camon C50i chipper is tested and boxed so that it is ready to go. Once you receive it, just add unleaded petrol, fit the in-feed chute, start the engine, and you are ready to work. The Camon C50i is the perfect tool for reducing your unwanted garden waste. It is built in Britain by us and is supported by a 2-year commercial warranty. It is powered by the best engines available and produces fantastic results. We know you will love using the Camon C50i chipper. If you would like more details or would like to place an order, call our sales team with the details provided.